At Windy City Wire, we don't want to simply sell cable. We want to provide comprehensive cable management solutions. All of our products are created with a commitment to excellence. From our SmartWire cables to our patented RackPack field system solution, Windy City Wire is offering real solutions to real issues faced by integrators in the field every day. This is the RackPack. Each RackPack comes with custom printed details with easy-to-identify color ID tags and a unique conductor ID and QR code. RackPacks can also be customized with your logo printed on your orders, displaying your brand on every job site. It's constructed with easy-to-carry dual handles and a patented side hole for use with our transportation devices. The RackStack, RackTrack, and the Grab-and-Go. The RackPack's unique construction of a wooden spool suspended by two heavy-duty end caps allows for smooth, tangle-free cable pulls. Our RackPacks are designed to fit conveniently on our custom transporters. Simply load your RackPacks and secure them with rods and clips. All SmartWire cables come in RackPack boxes. With Windy City Wire's kit building feature, you're able to utilize custom smart kits to streamline your projects and simplify small parts management. Once Windy City Wire receives your kit order, it is processed by our team. All parts are pulled from inventory, counted, and verified against your order. Then each custom kit is built and sealed with a security sticker, palleted, and shipped to your warehouse or job site with your bulk cable for the project or separately, giving your team all the parts they need to complete their installation. At Windy City Wire, our people make it possible for us to develop and deliver the innovative products that are revolutionizing the low-voltage industry. Our knowledgeable and dedicated team is focused on providing exceptional customer service. We stand behind our products. Your success is our success. And if you're not satisfied for any reason, contact a sales representative today and we'll work to make it right.